Hey guys, Gerson here with Shalomji Construction. I hope everyone is doing all right. Pretty cold right now. So I'm here in Walpole, Mass. Just a quick update on this project, and the guys are dropping off the forms for the concrete walls. Just want to show you guys. So the footings are done, and they're doing the layout, for the walls. And what they do, they use that big truck to lift and drop in the hole. These things are very heavy. All right, so that's pretty much it. We have all the reed bars there. I'll show you guys once it's all ready to go, or when it's completed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe to help my channel. Thanks. Bye.